So sir, yung eksaktong venue here in the Swords World, is it dun sa may uh,
Performing arts.
performing arts o dito sa
Yung
may
sa performing arts,
performing
yung stage
arts?
mismo naman.
Okay. And of course, yun nga yung, kasi kaya may opera, kaya pala may orchestra area, kasi para doon yun. And uh, estimated time, since halo-halo I know that classical music could take a while, and also rock yun nga. So, kano katagal po yung concert? Estimated time.
We plan to have it mga maximum of 2 hours.
Okay.
Kumbaga, there's Act 1 and Act 2, 1 hour each, tapos merong break in between. And I think meron ding gustong parang messages na sabihin yung sa life insurance. So, there will be some breaks in between. But most of the time, it will be just music, music, and music.
Okay. So, in terms of collaboration with both classical and rock bands, uh, will it be ganun ba throughout the concert, or meron bang parang let's say a segment dedicated for classical, or a segment
Yes,
dedicated for
merong sariling spot ang MSO. And then, of course, hindi naman lahat ng artists na rock bands talaga. For example, Megan Aguilar, although yung original na nakilala sa kanya before, yung mga unang hits niya is medyo rock and roll. This time, mag-acoustic siya, parang solo singer lang. And siguro yung gitara niya and the MSO. So, it will be a more intimate version of her songs. And then, of course, meron tayong Tres Marias or the power group ni Bayang Bayas, Kukichua, and Lolita Carbon, who will, they will be also singing a cappella without their instruments, and meron lang syempre MSO. So hindi siya talaga all the time rock-rockan talaga na. Meron ding mga mellow moments, but of course appropriate sa title. Marami tayong mga heavy-hitting rock bands like Razorback na talagang rock-rockan. So meron tayong extreme high and extreme mellow. So we will be mayroon tayong variety of level ng volume sa buong concert.
So, for the Manila Symphony Orchestra naman po, what are the lineup for the song? Especially since most of the crowd would actually, hindi pa exposed sa classical music, especially orchestra. Will they try to um, stick with the classics, or they'll also try to do a merging of, let's say, parang renditions of popular songs today?
Well, actually, ang proposal din ng MSO and ang gusto rin namin ng team behind the concert. Meron na rin kasing ang MSO meron na silang parang existing repertoire of orchestrated arrangements of OPM songs. So mga classics na Ryan Kayab, tulad ng pinaperform kanina, mga classics ni Ryan Kayab yan. Baka meron pang Sharon Cuneta dyan, and yung mga kinakanta rin ni Jet Madela. Meron na rin silang existing repertoire of around 30 songs ata of classical style arrangements of Filipino pop songs. So I think there will be less focus on yung talagang Western classical music because that's for another occasion. And for this night, we are celebrating OPM music. OP music, original Filipino music. So talagang mas focus talaga sa yung mga kantang not necessarily kilala, but also akma sa mensahe ng pagtulong sa mga nasalanta naman. So there will be mostly positive messages. Yung mga kantang pinili rin namin mismo, it's not just necessarily hahayaan yung artist to sing whatever they want. We ask the artists to submit kumbaga a list of songs which they think na akma sa mensahe ng concert. And out of, halimbawa, 3 out of 5 songs na binigay nila, ito yung kakantahin nila, tapos yung arranger gagawin niya for orchestral arrangements with the band.
Can you give us some teasers na, let's say, anong mga songs ang i-play nila?
For example, for example sa bandang Imago, yung mga hits nila like yung Sundo or yung Akap, yun yung isa sa mga kasama sa lineup.
This will be rearranged.
It will not necessarily rearrange, kumbaga re-enhanced. Kumbaga, let's just say, kakantahin ng Imago yung version nila, but instead of giving the guitar solo to the guitarist, pwedeng iba to sa violinists or pwedeng iba to sa mga horn section. Kumbaga hindi siya talaga magiging hindi naman gagawin na parang formulaic approach. Kumbaga it will depend on the song kung ano yung bagay na arrangement for that.
It was mentioned earlier na ang target base nito is more on youth, younger people. Right? But definitely may mga darating pa din dito. Now, paano yung conceptualization nyo bringing the classical to this particular younger generation? Kasi hindi naman yung lahat ng pupunta dyan is inclined technically sa classical music.
Well, you don't really have to be, for this concert, you don't really have to be inclined sa classical music. You don't have to need a pre-knowledge of classical music. Kasi, ano naman siya we will be presenting the OPM songs. Kumbaga siya yung forefront ng night na to. And it just so happens na we will also be enhancing those songs with the orchestral touch ng MSO. So, kumbaga, we hope na because of yung exposure ng orchestral music with the OPM songs ng mga sikat, na mga kilalang kanta, both new and old, mga classics and mga new hits, mabibridge yung gap between the older and the younger audience. Because, of course, we medyo common knowledge naman na when it comes to classical music, medyo nasa older crowd yung audience nito. And yung, for example, yung new bands like Imago, although hindi naman sila ganun kanyo, pero yung reach nila more on sa youth. So they, in a way, sila yung parang bridge connecting the classical and the new audience, kumbaga, through their songs.
I asked earlier kanina, what's behind the live rocks? Kasi nag-research ako ng konti, there is somewhat organization, institution na abroad at the same time.
I think that's just a coincidence. Wala ring connection with that. But I think because it's just also a common expression na rin life tracks, guys, parang ganun. I think it was just appropriate for this concert kasi rock and roll tayo and life insurance. So in a way, it jives well with the
So that's the reason behind why nagkaroon ng tag na
I like yung ginamit niya na yung S from the violin.
Oh, ganda.
Yes.
Galing.
Light rock parang it doesn't sound right light rock. Tapos nung napansin ko, S pala yung sa violin.
the more
Pavilion Visaya.
Okay.